Hello everyone, I am David Duarte and I am going to introduce the Griffin family. The Griffin family is made up for 5 members. Peter Griffin is a dad, Lois is a mother, the children are Meg, Chris and Stewie. The dog is Brian. Peter is Lois' husband. He is workman of middle class. He is middle-aged and he is medium height. He is obese and a little stupid. Lois is Peter's wife and she is housewife. She is medium height and she is slim. Meg Griffin is Peter and Lois' eldest daughter. She is young and she is a student of high school. She is fairly short and little obese. Chris is Peter and Lois' son. He is short-haired and obese, but he is young. He is a student of high school. Stewie is Peter and Lois' youngest son. He is a baby but he is strange. Uh, he speaks and is very intelligent. He is young and bald. Your boyfriend is the dog Brian. The dog Brian is Peter's dog, but he is best friend Stewie. He is a dog anthropomorphous, speaks and is very intelligent. He walks in 2 paws. Okay, this is the Griffin family. Thank you.